Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to restore old YouTube layout easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, to go ahead and see this, we'll need to go ahead and head onto Chrome Web Store. So just simply search Chrome Web Store onto your Google or onto your browser, and then right after, we're gonna go ahead and try to search onto the search bar in here, YouTube Redux. So this extension will gonna go ahead and give us the feel of an old YouTube theme. So right after, you'll just need to click onto add to Chrome and add this extension and wait for this one to be installed. Right after that one has been added, you should be able to see that it has been installed, and there should be an option for you to go ahead and tweak also and go ahead and make some necessary changes that you want to add onto your YouTube settings. Once you have gone ahead and already fixed that, what you need to do right after is to go ahead and search for youtube.com and try to see if the extension has been added already onto your YouTube account. And as you can see in here, onto my YouTube account, the old YouTube layout has been restored. And that is just basically it on how you restore the old YouTube layout. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.